Hello, my name is Davis. I'm the DSP developer for the microKORG2. With the latest update, the microKORG2 now supports logue SDK, a toolkit for developers to create custom oscillators and effects. For more information on how to load your own custom oscillators and effects onto the microKORG2, please see our video on the subject. In this video, I want to walk you through creating your own custom effect. There's a voice effect in a popular short-form video application that a lot of people know as the wobble effect or the wiggly voice effect. Of course, musicians know that as vibrato. It's pretty simple to implement, so let's try making our own. To begin with, you'll need Git. On Mac and Linux systems, you should already have it installed, but regardless of your operating system, you can download it from this website. Windows users will also need to install Windows Subsystems for Linux, available here. Once Git is installed, you'll need to download the logue SDK itself. You can do this by going to github.com/korg-log-SDK and cloning the repository. Pick a convenient place for the SDK on your computer, then make sure everything is set up by updating the submodules. I'm going to use this folder that I'll call Programming in my Documents folder. There are a number of options for building logue SDK units, but today I want to explain how to build using Docker because it's the same regardless of your operating system. To download Docker, go to docker.com and click the download button, then install it. Once Docker is installed, start it up. Now, we can go into the Docker folder inside the logue SDK and build the container using the build image script. With all of the groundwork taken care of, let's put this effect together. First, I'll make a subfolder in the microKORG2 folder and copy the template mod effects code. Let's rename everything. Then, figure out how to create the vibrato effect. The basic idea for this effect is we're going to speed up and slow down the sound to change the pitch. To do that, we can write it into a delay line, then read out of that delay line at a varying speed. We can accomplish that with the delay line and LFO classes that are included with the logue SDK. Let's set our minimum and maximum delay times, then use the output of the LFO to calculate our current delay time. This is what will create the pitch changing effect. Now that our signal path is established, let's add a rate parameter so we can adjust how fast the pitch changes. We can update this once per buffer to keep the control responsive without costing too much processor time. Now that we've written our processing code, let's try building the effect with the Docker environment we set up earlier. In Terminal, navigate to the Docker folder, then type in /run_command.sh space build space microKORG2/vibrato. If everything worked correctly, you should now have a working logue SDK unit, and we just need to copy it from our computer to the microKORG2. I've already got the effect installed on this microKORG2, so let's see how it sounds. If you want to try out the vibrato that I made today for yourself, you can download it from korg.com. If you're interested in specific details and want to see the source code, you can download that from github.com/log-SDK. For more details and help with the logue SDK, feel free to join our developer Discord. microKORG2 version 2 is now available as a free download on korg.com. We hope you enjoy all of the new features, including logue SDK support. Thank you for watching.